Good morning, Scott here. Hope you're well. Okay, so we didn't get much follow through from well, yesterday was Wednesday, so Tuesday's action. We had lots of big moves, but nothing really happened yesterday to allow us to get into some good trades. That's unfortunate. I'll say nothing, but very few of those, that massive list actually set up and played out for us. And today is quite the opposite. We've now got I've only got three things on my watch list. But there's some interesting ones there, so we'll go through them. And not sure why I'm on that one. I need to go this one. Yeah, so let's go through these quickly and let's see what we've got. Right, Euro Kiwi, uptrend, not the strongest, very stepping up, stepping down, stepping up. We are going up, and if you look at the MACD, it's still pretty strong actually. Well, it's still positive anyway. So we are getting a positive move up, but we now have, after a big move up on will it be Monday, we've had deceleration Tuesday and a beautiful little doji on Wednesday. So that could be good for a reversal, as in a power trend reversal, swing trade. So a swing trade I'm looking for, swing trade reversal, but there's not really much room to go down. So, and 450 is quite close. So probably not on, but if we go to the hourly chart, this is what I see. You can see that clearly. We have a nice little ABO. Not the best. The deceleration was quite quick, but we do have a nice line, a nice level here, which is a good resistance level. And the good thing is, there's two things I look for a perfect ABO. This has one of them, and that is, or two things that I like to see, should I say. So the first one is that we've had pokes above this resistance level to take out the stops, people who've got in early, we shorten this early, and then break down below it again. And then we haven't quite retested it, it's close, it's not ideal. So we've got a 1, 1, 2, 2. Really need to see a third pullback and a third retest of here before we jump on board. And then with we can probably trim the stop a little bit behind these highs, and down to the 4 hour we get 2% ish. We don't know till we get the entry, of course, but that's something that's worth keeping an eye on. Although it's a little bit, yeah, it's not ideal. The thing I don't like about it most actually is the fact that it's rejecting the 1 hour 50. So although we have a trend line here, potentially we've only got 2 touches basically, which really is the 1 hour 50 that it could be rejecting as well. So that's not ideal, because then we are going to enter before the one, be above the 1 hour 50, and hoping it's going to break down through the 1 hour 50 as well as this trend line. That's a bit of a negative. I thought I'd bring it to your attention because it's good to talk about a different kind of setup now and again. And the ABO is a nice one. They play out. It's nice feeling. But the fact it's tracking the 1 hour 50 is not ideal. So actually, I'll put that on to secondary. Maybe that's your cup of tea, the ABO, in which case that could be a nice potential for you. Okay, pound yen. So we are, that's the 1 hour chart, sorry. On the daily, we have an uptrend for the last few weeks, and back through the 1 hour 50, sorry, the daily 50, come back, retested it, and we're up again, and did a higher test, and then rejected that, and then come back down to the daily 50 again. So although it's an uptrend, it's the momentum still here, but the momentum looks okay on the MACD. You can see it's momentum is trending up. That looks okay. Looks like the trend may continue. We've had a pullback to the daily 20, daily 50, and also this level here is quite a good level. I've checked it. These highs here, and go back lows here. So it's got a, although it's quite a noisy area, there's definitely something around that area. Right, so that looks quite good. So you could, in theory, if you're a swing trader, you might want to put a a power trend on here, where you'll be entering a buy by just above these highs, and then a stop just below the low, below the daily 50. So you can trade up to these highs, which is only just over 1.3%, or you can take it up to recent highs. If you're a long-term player, you can maybe go for 2 or 3% up there somewhere. So that looks like a good possibility. Now, what do we have here on the 1 hour chart? Tracking the work of the 4 hour 50 very well. Then you broke down to the daily 20, which is red line. We rejected that, coming up to the hourly 50, but it's the daily 50 rejected that. So nothing really on here until we get a break of the 1 hour 50, which will probably mean a break of the 4 hour 50. And then if we get a CBO setting up, that could be a nice trade. Maybe very late today or maybe tomorrow. So that's possibly a CBO setting up there. The last one we'll look at is Kiwi Swiss. On the daily chart, we can see it's in a kind of downtrend. We've had some deceleration here. The last 3 days been decelerating. They've got a nice little candle there, and possibly a quick pullback to the 4 hour 50. Is the MACD still looking good? Okay, the MACD is a MACD divergence because you've got a higher low here. That implies that we may get more of a pullback, but the safest option is just to have a pullback to the 4 hour 50. What does the 1 hour give us? Another ABO. Now this one doesn't have the break of this level yet, so ideally we'll see a breakdown below that and a pullback up. We really need to see this. Ideally we come down here somewhere, come back up here, test it, down to here, and then that's 4 hour 50. We'll enter about here somewhere, and trade up to 4 hour 50. Just stops behind here. That's a possible setup. We are rejecting the 1 hour 50 almost. Didn't quite touch it there. Didn't quite touch it there and there either, actually, looking at it closely. But it's kind of tracking the 1 hour 50, so again, that's not ideal. Just keep an eye on it, see that sets up nicely. That's all I have for you today. Maybe you found something else, in which case post it in the Slack Trade Ideas channel, and we can look at it. And I wish you all the best. Today is Thursday. Yes, I'll see you tomorrow. Right, take care. I'll speak to you then. Bye-bye.